Hakahan Rio tarik naiwing Hajar Arpusan. Ulat ke Jylla Chandrasekhar H. Vijaya Shankar haka jingkren jang u shaki arspa lai phongot ki principal bat ki vice principal jang ki school ka seng u donbosco nakari India barok away ula ong. Ngai khublei ki kongsan kinong hikai ki khana school Pyrthei bat shinrang. Masngau kemen bandan bantalang Hakani the National Educational Conference of donbosco Schools.
National Education Conference of donbosco Schools. This gathering
Kani ke Jylla kalong
very
ka kerpang
special
namar ka wanra
because it brings
ikinong
together
penyad bat ki khli
heads
jaki
of
shlam ka
teachers
donbosco
of Don Bosco
keleng dari
institutions
India.
from across the northeastern states of India. Don Bosco schools have played an important
Ki
role
school donbosco
in shaping
kila ai ka
education
jinghikai ka bapaka yaki
in our
khna
region,
hakani ka than jongi
guided by
haka
the
jinglam
noble
jong John
vision
Bosco
of
ubanget
Saint John
haka jing
Bosco,
ai jinghikai
who
haka
believed
liang ka
in
perkhat ka perdan
education,
ka
the mind
donut
and
bat
heart
ka mensia.
and soul. Meghalaya,
Kum ulat ke Jylla
is a
ngangek
land
na
of
ke Jylla
heaven.
Meghalaya Kadei ka Bneng
Just
ha
1 week
Pyrthei.
back,
Hakapor
when I
banga
took
shim
oath
smai ban long kum ulat jong ke Jylla
as a governor of
Meghalaya.
Meghalaya,
Ngalalet banya kendu
I
ya
had
ke
gone to
presiden
meet
jokari India Drupadi
Mama
Murmu
Imraswati ji,
bat kalaya thu.
Draupadi Murmu.
Baki brio joka
Meghalaya
Meghalaya
people,
ki dei
all
ki
the
brio
best
ki babha.
human beings.
Kim ju thok ju shukor.
Such
Ki
a
brio
place you
joka
are going.
Meghalaya ki dei ki brio ki babha
Serve
tam.
sincerely.
Kat kani
Serve
ke Jylla bat
sincerely.
nek. Shakri hok ya ke
This is
Jylla
what
barok
Mama
kawe.
Imraswati ji told
Laong ka Drupadi Murmu.
This is the opinion.
Kalau ong ruba om
It is
tang
not
ba
only
kadai ka
land of
Bneng ha
heaven.
Pyrthei henrei
It is a
kadai ka Jylla ka
female-dominated
baki
society.
riu kan thei ki dan bor bha.
I can
Ka
Meghalaya
Meghalaya
is
kadai ka
considered
jakaj
as
ngo kai Pyrthei ka ba
land of
itanat bha.
medicinal plants. Land of medicinal plants. My
Hadin kani ka
request,
Jylla nga kerpa de phi ba
don't finish the
pinsa
program
shua
and go back.
sa kumba ars ngi
You stay
AA
here
ban
1 or
let
2
ban
days more.
sakhi ya ka jing itanat jong kamaria.
Take the round.
Malasya
I've been
kri
served
kumu menteri hakatanat
as a
forest
forest
jong
minister,
ka
government
sarkar
of Karnataka.
Karnataka ngatip ya ka jing
I know
koridor
the importance
jong ki
of
klau
forest
ki
also.
betab bat ya ka
But if
umdi
at all
pat
you are
kala
able to
air
get
ka ba khoj phila ban
even
yo
in the
tam
given
na
situation,
Meghalaya.
pure air, pure water, 100% assure you, even today also you are able to get pure air and pure water in the state of Meghalaya.
Ka ay ka
Before
ba
our
pins area
younger
nga
generation,
habang nga perkhat siya
One
pang
is
kalaway
drugs.
jong ki khana ba menta kalong ka
One is
jing
drugs.
tenrei udrok.
They are
Kini
our
ki
asset,
khana ki day ka Jylla
they are
jongi
our
ki day
future,
ka laway jongi.
future of the
Lada
nation.
jia ka ay ka ba
If
snew
at
ha
all
ushin
something
rang
goes
ne ka
wrong
kentay
with a
ka
particular
yeng ka
boy or
sem
girl,
jong ki hi
but
baro
he is
ka
not
way
going to
kin
suffer.
mat ya ka jing
The
snongsi.
whole family is going to suffer. I
Nga
told
jubtha
our
barabor haki menteri ka
Education
kwat
Minister and
takya
Health Minister,
bat ka pule
go
puti
and visit
jong ki
each and
Jylla
every
ba
education institution.
bakin penlong yaki program
Conduct
ban ai jing hikai
workshop.
shapang ka jing snew udrok.
Conduct workshop related to drugs. This is what I told very seriously to the Health Minister and Education Minister of our state.
Kamat ka ba
second
ar ka
issue,
day ka jing yo lok dan
teenage
khna
pregnancy.
karta.
Of course,
Lada
without we
ngi
are
kinong
not going
hikai
to
ki
take
kimi
care
ki
of them,
kpa
who else
ngim shim khia yala
going
ki
to
khon
take
ki
care of
kti.
them?
Manu
And
pat
that
ban shim khia.
boy or girl up to at the age of 6. At the age of
Hakapor
6,
bakidang khna
100%
hakapor
daytime they are
bakidang
going
don
to be
hapo
the
henrius nam karta.
when they are going
Ki
to
judon
cross the
barabor
age
baki
of
kimi ki
6,
kpa. Henrai
rest
enda
of
kila
the-
tam ya kata ka snem.
until unless they are going to complete their education,
Hinyo
70%
persen
of the
hakapor
time of
mensni
daytime,
ki don
they are going
barabor
to
bat
be with
pi
you
kinong
people.
hikai. Batang ar
Only
pusan
25%
persen
they are going to be
hakashisni
with your
ki
parents.
don bat laki kimi ki kpa. Hakata kadur
Second
kamat
biggest
kaba ar
challenging issue,
kabakta ya ka Jylla ka day
teenage
ka jingyo lok
pregnancy.
dang khna karta.
If at
Haba
all
ka khna
a
ka
child
almet
is going to be
hakapor
mothered by
badang
that
rit
age,
beta. Shanu
what
ka
about the
laway
fate
jong ka
of that
kampoy.
child?
Bat shae ka laway jong
and what
ikulong
about the
jong ka.
fate of that baby? This is
Ki
another
day ban
thing.
shim khia ma phi
You have to
kinong
think
hikai.
very seriously.
Bat ban ai
Education
jing
is,
pen shai halor ki
these
ni
are
ki
the
mat
ills.
ya ki khna
You
jong
have
ka
to
ni
see
ka
that
juk pamanta.
how we have to overcome and create awareness in the mind of younger generation.
ka pule
Education
puthi ka ai ha ki khna
gives
ka
a
lat
child
bakin don ki jing
the
am
ability
not
to
ba bha ha
dream,
ka jing em ban perkhat
think,
bat ban
to
bu
question,
jing kali bat ban
and
he
grow.
san
Institutions
kijaka puli kum ki
like
school
Don
don bosco
Bosco
ki la ai ka jing
have
shakri ka ba
contributed
paka bat ki
immensely
ai man sim
in this
shibor ye
direction
ki khna
and
puli
inspired
keleng kari
thousands of
india
young minds
kam tam
across the
hapo
India,
north east kini
especially
ki shlem ki
in the
penwandur ya
Northeast,
ka akor ka buram
by
bat ka jing
grooming
mentoy ya ka
academic
imlang
excellence
salang paro ka
with the
wi
moral values service to the society. I
nga ai
convey
ka
my
jing
best
khuble ya
wishes
paro ki bashim banta
to the
ya
all
phi ki nong
participants,
penyat school bat ki nong dikai
educators,
ki school ka seng
and Don
don
Bosco
bosco
team. May
ai
this
bakne ka
conference
jingelang kan
lead
wanra
in new
ya ki but
ideas,
bathamai ka jinge dei
new
bathamai
partnership,
bat ka lenti
and new
bathamai
paths
nak banta ka bha ka
for
miat
the
jong ki
grow
khna
and
puli
develop
ki ban
our
long ka lawai
young
jongi
generation.
u
Dr.
Dr.
Kalam
Abdul
says,
Kalam uong
"Your
ka puli
education
puthi ka dei ka ba penbha
is
penmiat
not
ya ki
the
khna
amount of
ha ka kor ka buram bat ka
information
jingtei ya ka lawai jong ka jing
that is put in the human brain. It must have man-making, character-making, and life-building."